who says cooking needs fire. Today we will explore delicious recipes that require no gas, no stove, and no fire at all. Whether you are a student in a hostel living without a kitchen or just cooking for fun and quick snacks, these fireless recipes will make your taste buds dance. Let's create magic without flames. Cooking without fire is fun, safe, and creative. You can make healthy and tasty dishes using simple tools like a blender, knife, or mixing bowl. It is perfect for kids, hostel students, picnics, and emergency situations. Today we will learn a variety of fireless recipes from snacks to desserts. Number 1. Cold veggie sandwich. Ingredients: 4 slices of bread, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 cucumber thin slices, 1 tomato thin slices, salt and pepper. Method: spread mayonnaise on each bread slice, place cucumber and tomato slices between 2 slices. Sprinkle salt and pepper, cut diagonally and serve. This is a light, healthy, and quick snack. Number 2. Fruit yogurt delight. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh yogurt, 1 banana chopped, 1 apple chopped, 1 orange peeled, 1 tablespoon honey. Method: mix all fruits in a bowl, add yogurt and honey, stir well. Serve cold. This dessert is full of vitamins and is perfect for summer. Number 3. Chocolate biscuit cake. Ingredients: 2 packets of biscuits like Mary or Digestive, half cup milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons sugar. Method: crush biscuits into powder, mix cocoa powder, sugar and milk until smooth. Add biscuit powder and mix well. Shape into a cake and refrigerate for 2 hours. Slice and enjoy. Number 4. Veggie wrap. Ingredients: 1 tortilla or chapati, 2 tablespoons hummus or mayonnaise, 1 carrot grated, 1 cucumber thin slices, 1 lettuce leaf. Method: spread hummus on a tortilla, place veggies in the center, roll tightly and cut in half. This is a healthy and filling lunch idea. Number 5. Sprout salad. Ingredients: 1 cup boiled sprouts, mung beans, chicken feet, etc. 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Method: mix all ingredients in a bowl, add lemon juice, salt and pepper. Stir well. This salad is rich in protein and good for health. Number 6. Peanut butter banana toast. Ingredients: 2 slices of bread, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 banana sliced. Method: spread peanut butter on bread. Place banana slices on top. Serve immediately. It is quick breakfast full of energy. Number 7. Corn and cheese salad. Ingredients: 1 cup boiled corn, half cup grated cheese, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, salt and pepper. Method: mix corn, cheese and mayonnaise in a bowl. Season with salt and pepper. This creamy salad is perfect for kids. Number 8. No bake Oreo dessert. Ingredients: 10 Oreo biscuits, half cup whipped cream. Method: crush Oreos and mix with whipped cream. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Serve cold as a sweet treat. Number 9. Cucumber rolls. Ingredients: 1 cucumber sliced into thin strips, cream cheese, bell pepper thin strips. Method: spread cream cheese on cucumber strips, place bell pepper strips and roll them up. This snack is light and refreshing. Number 10. Chia seed pudding. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup milk or almond milk, 1 tablespoon honey, fruits and topping. Method: mix chia seeds, milk and honey in a jar. Refrigerate for 4 hours or overnight. Top with fruits before serving. Number 11. Bread pizza. Microwave option. Ingredients: 2 bread slices, pizza sauce or ketchup, cheese, chopped vegetables. Method: spread sauce on bread, add cheese and vegetables. Microwave for 1 minute until cheese melts. Enjoy pizza without a stove. Number 12. Energy balls. Ingredients: 1 cup oats, half cup peanut butter, half cup honey. Method: mix all ingredients, roll into small balls and refrigerate. These are perfect for quick energy boosts. Benefits of fireless cooking: safe for kids, no risk of burns or fire accidents, saves fuel and energy, can be done anywhere, fun and creative. So friends, you have just learned 12 amazing and unique fireless recipes that are quick, healthy and super easy. Cooking without fire is not only safe but also exciting. You can make these dishes at home, at school or even during a picnic. Try them out and let your creativity shine in the kitchen without flames. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty ideas. Until next time, happy fireless cooking.